Hi everyone, how are you? And this video is going to be a good one because it's actually going to answer a question that I get asked about pretty often, and that is, how do I prevent my employees for stealing my contact lists and maybe trying to offer my product or service to my clients for cheaper? So how can I prevent my employees from stealing my clients and starting a business on their own? Or just how do I prevent my employees from kind of like stealing the secrets of the business and sharing them with other businesses, and going to work for other businesses to work for higher salary or whatever. And there's a tool for that, and it's a legal tool. And if you ever seen my videos or use my apps, I do not give legal advice, and I always say consult an attorney for legal advice. So I'm not going to give legal advice. I'm just going to explain what the tool for that is. And the tool is called a non-compete agreement. It's a very standard agreement. It's only in the United States, I think. In different states have slightly different laws of how it's applied, but it's reasonably standard, and it's becoming kind of more standard and more enforceable. Before there was issues with enforcing it. Now the only issue with enforcing it is really, you're going to have to litigate, and it's expensive. So it's actually better to avoid the situation altogether and sort of work with people who are trustworthy. You don't want to litigate, you don't want to invoke that kind of a clause or that agreement. So you don't want to get to the situation where your employees are doing something malicious or doing like that, right? You want to foster a good relationship with your employees, and that's really what you want to focus on. But always there will be some rogue employees, and you need to protect your business. Well, if you need to protect your business, the non-compete agreement is the right tool. You can get non-compete agreement forms online for pretty cheap, but of course the professional solution is to hire a non-compete attorney. But unfortunately that may be out of the price range for many small businesses. So you have some like LegalZoom or things like that where you can get it pretty cheaply. Just get that form if you can't afford an attorney. So that's really it. If you are afraid that your employees will start stealing your clients, like for example, if you're running a lawn care business and your employees are going to the different sites and mowing the lawn, they have direct contact with your clients, and so they can easily offer those clients like, hey, can I just do this cheaper for you, but don't tell the boss, right? So they can kind of start stealing your clients that way. And the non-compete is the tool that you can use to prevent them from doing that. But remember, to prevent them, you have to litigate. You have to take legal action. So it's expensive and it's time consuming, and generally try to work with people you trust, try to work with good people so this kind of thing doesn't happen to you in the first place. And that's really important. That's it. That's pretty simple. For the non-compete agreement, it's just very standard legal tool. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this explaining various business topics, and of course please check out the mobile apps that I've created. They're the Problemio business apps at problemio.com, or you can search for Problemio in any of the app stores like the iOS App Store, Android App Store, Kindle, the Nook, things like that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.